beautiful world. It's Princess Katie, and it is that time of the month. Time for Goddess Provisions, that is. Goddess Provisions is a monthly subscription box that comes to your door, filled with high vibe lifestyle goods that are vegan and cruelty free. What is in my box this month? Got my box. Look, I see something hanging out of it. I wonder what it is. Got my Fiskas. Gonna open her up. And I'll give you guys the first peek. Wait, I think I might dump it if I do it like that. First peek. What's in the box? Oh, I can kind of see. Because I can see the camera. All right. I'm going to go in with what the first item. I see what oh. What is this? Wyld Konjac Facial Cleansing Sponge. Infused with French pink clay. Ooh, 100% natural, biodegradable, pH balanced. Say hello to your skin's new BFF. Handmade with Konjac plant, your skin will fall in love with this natural wonder that cleans and gently exfoliates. Cool. I'll try it out. Though I'm more of like a rough exfoliator, I guess. Kind of want to like feel something if it's exfoliating, but I wonder if I can smell it. Ooh, it's like a little sponge infused with it. Konjac. And it's biodegradable. That's pretty cool. I like that it's biodegradable. What's next in this month's box? It's April, guys. It is going so fast. Ooh. Yay, something in a spray bottle. Earth Goddess. Oh, I love it. It has a pine cone on it. Me and my man got matching pine cone tattoos. Earth Goddess. Connect with the abundance of Mother Earth. Invigorate your senses and smell the forest air, even while in the city. Spray onto feet and legs for ultimate grounding effect. Alright. I'm going to spray it in the air, but it should still have a grounding effect. I like that, though, that they tell you spray it on your feet or on your legs, because that is the best way to ground, is to imagine your feet or your legs. Oh, I like it. It's kind of, I don't know, I feel like the last time I smelled one of these, I said it smelled like a man. This smells like a man to me, too. Forest man. Forest man. I like it. I love room sprays. Thank you, Goddess Provisions, for all of your little spray bottles. I have them all over my room. I love them. Okay, what is next in the box? Ooh, a candle. Once again, I love Goddess Provision candles. This is Forest by lilakwillow.com. Natural soy candle. Oh, I love it. Ooh, I dropped the little bits. I didn't know they would come out. I dropped little bits. My mom had a cat named Little Bit. I am loving this. This smells like a Christmas tree, but like a springier version, not like winter Christmas. This is like April, flowers, pine forest in the spring. I really like this. Thank you so much, Goddess Provisions. I absolutely have loved all of your candles, all of your sprays, all of your teas, and all of your crystals that I've gotten each month. Ooh. What is this? Women Owned. Our story. For every beverage. Oh, it's a reusable straw. And it comes with a little pipe cleaner. I don't know if you can see that. Is it glass? It's durable. Oh, it's BPA free, so I'm assuming it's a type of plastic. But it's BPA free, so that's cool. It says forever on it. So durable, heat, BPA free, forever, cold, dishwasher safe. And it's owned by women. Women owned. 1% for the planet. We take responsibility for the health of our planet by donating 1% of annual sales to environmental profits, creating positive change. I'm kind of all about this. Not that I'm no waste or zero waste or low waste. Well, I try to be lower waste, but it's something I'm more conscious about, my carbon footprint. So I'm really excited and thankful for this. I don't carry a purse, so I'm gonna have to figure out a way to carry this around with me. Maybe I'll make my boyfriend carry in his pockets. Isn't that what boyfriend's pockets are for? So, Simply Straws for every beverage. Thank you, ladies, for giving me something like this. That was exciting. What is next? I see something. Wild Canyon. Compostable lip balm made from wildflower oils. I really love how like low waste this whole box is. I'm really happy. It says twist to open. Okay, the ingredients are sunflower oil, fair trade certified, cocoa butter, candiella wax, shea butter, meadow foam oil, chia seed oil, jojoba oil, sea buckthorn oil, mixed rosemary extract, and calendula oil. I'm excited. It doesn't have a very strong smell. Like, it's not like, maybe it's more medicinal. How do you just push it up? Oh, cool. So everything in here is biodegradable. So it's kind of like, I don't know how I would describe it. Like a manila folder, kind of, and this is cardboard. I really like it. There's no plastic. This is really cool. I know a lot of like zero waste people who I follow on YouTube that may like it. This has like a, has a little bit of a taste, like a, it's not a bad taste. It's mild. It's like, you know, there's healing oils in here. You know there's something medicinal about it. But it has a really smooth feeling. I don't know if you can tell. Let me get closer. Can you tell? Do they look soft? I like it. I don't know how often I'd use it. Not really a chapstick person, but if I had dry lips and really needed it, I would use it because it's 20% of it is fair trade ingredients. It's GMO and cruelty free and compostable. So I'm gonna have to find someone's compost to put this in, because I don't know if you know, but if you have something that's compostable and you throw it out in the regular garbage, evidently it's even worse for the environment because of methane gases that are produced. So if something's compostable, that's great, but you have to put it in a compost pile. Pretty cool. Goddess Provisions unboxing and environment lesson. Okay, so remember those little strings that were hanging out like before I opened the box? I found what they come from, but I still don't know what it is because it is in this little bag. Oh, and the bag says Soul and Celine. And what's cute is Celine is my niece's middle name. Her name is Isabella Celine. That is our niece's middle name. How cool. So I wonder what is in this little bag. I have to untie this cute little knot. Okay, what is in the bag? Ooh. So now, how did they get that rose into that piece of quartz? I'm wondering if this is maybe not real quartz, and it's maybe like a pour, like a resin pour. Yeah, I don't think this is real, but it's still pretty cool. It's still pretty. I feel like my mom would like this. My mom is a rose expert. She took classes to be a rose expert, so my mom would definitely. Oh, you can see my cut on my thumb. I cut myself painting. A tragic painting accident. I think I'm going to give this to my mom. I think she would really like this. I'm excited to see on the cheat sheet, like, what this is. Ah, if I don't break it. Okay, I see our crystal came in this little package. It is green. Oh, I have one of these. Oh, I don't remember the name. I'm like looking to see if mine's out. I think I put mine away. I think I have one of these. I don't know the name of it at the moment. I'm gonna have to use the cheat sheet on this one. But it reminded me of my snakes, so I got, and I think it even has like a snake kind of name. Oh, that's not the last item. There's one more item and then I can get to the cheat sheet, guys. What is this? Mare Boom. It's funny, so I wonder if this is biodegradable. It's like everything in this box this month seems to be very like environmentally friendly. Yeah, a lot of things came in plastic that maybe didn't need to. The Japanese, okay, so Shibori. Shibori is the Japanese term for several methods of dyeing patterns onto cloth. Master artisans in India stitch, bind, twist, and fold sections of cloth with thread to achieve desired patterns. Raw materials used in the process are locally sourced cotton fabrics with non-toxic dyes. So this is like a little tie-dye thing. Ooh, I feel like it's tie-dye season. I love to tie-dye. And the best part of tie-dye is at the end when you open it up and you see what pattern you have. So this is made of cotton. Very vegan, not silk. Oh, I like it. I don't know what I would use. Oh, I know what I'm gonna, oh, no, I don't know. It's a scarf. My mind changed so much in those couple of seconds. It's kind of like a, oh, I wish I would have had this first and I could have like wore this like the whole video. Look, I look like I'm at a party. My pashmina. I really like it. This is pretty dope. In fact, I know exactly where I'm gonna wear this. Can I get a big dub? I'm gonna wear this summer to Big Dub. I like it. You can do it on the shoulders. Or you can like dance with it like, yeah, I'm dancing. I like it. So I'm on to the cheat sheet. So the artwork for this month, very cool. It says, we are one with the earth. And it's true. We should try to be more one with the earth because it is the planet that we live on. It is the planet that gives us life. Oh, this one's like a card this month. Oh, I like that. There's like a perforated edge. No, there's not a perforated edge. I'm cracked out. It appears that there's a perforated edge, but you can almost like break it in half and then hang this on the wall and then still know what the cheat sheet says. So this month's monthly mantra is, I tune into the frequency of Mama Gaia, and I accept the call to do more, to show my love and respect for this beautiful and abundant planet. Wow, I super agree. It's funny, this month I've kind of stepped back from all of my low waste YouTubers that I watch, and I've been watching a lot of gardening, which is still like earth related, but everything in this month's box, the straw, you know, the biodegradable lip balm, those types of things, they really call to me right now. So let's see. I was right about this little guy right here. It is a resin. It is Sol and Celine Floral Resin Crystal Point. Add a preserved piece of nature's beauty to your altar. Discover which flower you received and Mama Gaia's message for you at solandceline.com/AprilGoddess. So evidently there's a message for me. Well, I'm going to have to find out this message. So I'm going to pause the video, go online and find out what the message is. So I went on to the Sol and Celine website to find out what my resin point had to say about me. Rose. Like rose quartz, roses are a symbol of true love. Roses represent the love you can cultivate for yourself, for the people around you, and for the universe. Your crystal may have baby's breath. Okay, so let's see if mine has baby's breath in it. Oh, you can't see, sorry. I'm not seeing any baby's breath, so I have a single rosebud. I think I'm going to give this to my mom. My mom is, I knew it was a rose right off the bat, which is cool. I didn't know that there was a secret message, so thank you, Goddess Provisions. That was really neat. I'm going to give this to my mom. I think she'll really enjoy that. Next was the Wyld Canyon Lip Balm. Nourish and protect your lips with 100% plant-based vegan balm featuring wildflower oils. You can even compost the tube when you're finished. Like I said, I really like that aspect of it. That's pretty cool. My lips feel pretty good. So thank you, Wild Canyon. I'll use it. I'll keep it at the bedside. So that's where I keep all of my Goddess Provision things. I just kind of keep them at the bedside so I can use them. Next up, we had the Lilac and Willow Forest Candle. Light this beautiful soy candle dressed with forest flora and allow the essential oil combo of cedar, pine, spruce, vanilla, and eucalyptus transport you into deep nature's glory. I really like that scent. Super excited about it. Thank you, Goddess Provisions, again. I feel like I say thank you a lot, but that's okay. It's better to say thank you than you're sorry. Oh, next up we have our mist. This is a Light Body Creations Earth Goddess Mist. I really like this. I love the pine cone on it. Spritz this blend of juniper, cedar, cypress, spearmint, cinnamon bark, myrrh, and vetiver essential oils on your body or into the air to reground your senses and connect to your roots. Oh, so maybe it's like root chakra inspired. Also, look, got my little chakra shirt on. I got my dyed pashmina. Maybe that's next. No, that's not next. My Simply Straw is the next thing in here. The earth will smile because you're opting for a BPA-free reusable straw. Use it at home or take it on the go to avoid plastic straws. I'm trying to make it a habit if I don't need a straw to not take one. And also if I don't need the little plastic part of a drink. I guess it's one way I'm being, you know, lower waste. I don't bring like my own cup with me. I guess I should. There's a lot of things I could be doing that are difficult. It's difficult to be low waste. Okay, next up is the Wild French Pink Clay Konjac Sponge. Yeah, I forgot about that. That was the first thing I opened up. Soften in water to gently cleanse your face and stimulate skin renewal for a healthy, dewy glow. This sponge is made from a plant that is 100% biodegradable. So once again, following that vibe, all these things are very earthly. Since the month mantra is I tune into the frequency of Mother Gaia. Okay, next we do have, it says Mater Boomi Fair Trade Shibori Scarf. Grab this scarf before heading out into nature and feel beautiful on the inside knowing it's 100% cotton and handmade by fair trade Indian artisans. I like this. I'm gonna wear it. And what's making me laugh is, remember this crystal? Remember I told you it reminds me of something snaky? Serpentine. I knew it was something that reminded me of snakes. I have a few pieces of serpentine. So that is the end of this month's April 2019's Goddess Provision box. So my favorite products out of the April 2019 Goddess Provisions box is the Forest Spray and the Forest Candle. By far, I'm excited to use these. They remind me of the forest. And now that the weather's getting nice, that's what we'd be doing. Going out in the woods. I like to do some yoga. We sit by the creek. We listen to the earth. Hanging out with Mother Nature. Tuning into the frequency of Mother Gaia. I wanted to thank you so much for watching my video and stay tuned for May's Goddess Provisions box.